Same products, different results. What criteria are you gonna use to pick the right siding company for you? It can't just be price. It can't just be product. You really have to have a holistic approach to hiring your siding installer. All of those things go into that bottom line that everybody gets so stuck on. So, I'm gonna give you some quick tips. We're gonna look at same products with different results. First thing that jumps out at me is the window trim. Over here, we have a very plain picture frame, flat trim all the way around. Where on this house over here that Giant Siding and Windows did, you can see that we really spent a little extra time with the homeowner to really capture the window trim and detail that they wanted with historic sills, ram's crowns on all the windows, really just the details that make this project really pop. Furthermore, I'm gonna go over and get couple more specifics where I think that house or homeowner was let down as far as the high impact they could have had with such a beautiful product.